Within the admin settings, production and order settings, you can configure what are called production statuses. Now, before we go into what exactly a production status is, let's cover what a order status is. So an order status is, have we ordered the blanks? Have we received the blanks? Has the order gone through the artwork approval process? Have we produced the order? Have we shipped the order? So almost every order goes through these statuses. A production status is typically related to a specific decoration process in which we can break down the individual steps associated with it. The most common decoration process to do this with is screen printing, as it has a lot of steps. So if we come back to the admin, again, settings, production and order settings, production statuses, we can add a production status. We'll give it a name. So we'll just set it ready for bagging and tagging as just an example. Now I could make this available for all processes, but just for this example, let's make it only available for screen printing. And we'll give it a background color of pink. Save. So for screen printing, I have added all of these different production statuses to let our production staff further filter and update orders into the specific step that order is in the screen printing process. If we just use order statuses, it's essentially, have we printed the product or have we not? If I want to know, have we burned the screens? Are we on press? Are we post-press? We can get a better snapshot of where that order is at in the process, and again, allow our employees to better filter through orders. So if we come into Business Hub, your production statuses are listed within the production section. So within Overview, we can view the production statuses. Now these will only be shown when an order is related to that process. So if I add a new order and we use screen printing in the example, so let's add a new product. We'll go to the design tool. We'll add screen print text. We'll enter our quantity and we'll save the order. If we come in here to Overview, you will see by default the films need printed. The reason you see that by default is within the admin, again, settings, production statuses, this is the first status listed. So if I change this list order, this would be the default status for screen printing. Top to bottom is going to be listed top to bottom in Business Hub, just like you would think. But again, when we see that production status will be defined by which decoration processes we have assigned it to. So here in Overview, I can view the order statuses and the production statuses to allow me to filter down my orders. These production statuses are more common when we're looking at the production tab. So if I'm the production manager, I might be looking at the calendar view. And when I filter, I can filter by the order status, the production status, the production process, and even who the order's been assigned to. Gives me a nice snapshot of where we're at. It's also very helpful to come into the list view, and within the not ready or in awaiting production, I can sort by my decoration process, screen printing in this example. But if I want to, I don't want to just see screen printing orders. I want to just see screen printing orders that are ready for the press. So if I'm the press operator, I might be looking at screens that are burned. This would be orders that are about to be brought my way. Or I want to see what's ready for press. Or maybe I'm in the dark room. I want to see which screens need burned. And then once I have burned them, I can then apply the production status update by clicking here, set production status, and update it to the screens have been burned. Again, letting the next essentially team member know where the order is at for the process. So again, it's going to help your staff stay organized and just give you a better idea of where the order is at. Your customer will not see any of these production statuses if they are logged into their account. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.